frankly, I didn't know much about it. We always think about grand jury as the one you see in the trials, in the courts, or you hear about them. But the civil grand jury, as I learned, was a fascinating body. I mean, you pick a set of citizens through really their interest and a bit of selection, and you have an ability to investigate organizations that run your county. And also, there could be complaints, and you have full reign to go in and talk to people, look at the information, and come out with your best recommendations. I thought it was a fascinating, opportunity, a fascinating, entity, right? That I think California has across all its counties, and I decided to get involved.